Mark here, he loves being in all my movies. He loves that kind. But I got this out so I can show you guys something. Would this make you nervous going down the road seeing this unit? 2 sleds on a trailer.
That's not all of it.
Pulled by a PT Cruiser. How would that make you feel? Think that's overload or oversized or over what? I don't know. It don't look right because it's longer than the tow vehicle, but it actually works out pretty good. I just thought, I don't know, it just doesn't look right, does it, buddy?
Not really.
No.
One sled almost off hanging off the side.
Yeah, he's. Yeah.
We're still good, but
yeah,
looks worse than what it is.
That's right. But yeah, we just went up to the in-laws there for do some sledding in town there, or outside of town. But pretty shocked, there's nothing there.
No.
We're better off around here. Oh well, don't know unless you go try. So be it. The camera out. This is how rednecks unload sleds in Canada. Canadian rednecks, eh, bud? It normally takes 2 people to do it, but
For yours, anyways.
yeah, the Yammy's not light. That's why they did so well with the grass drags, eh? Because they're so heavy. Ready?
What? No. No. We just put them in when we got back.
Did you have fun?
Man, wasn't bad. There's a lot more room around here to ride than there is up in Boston.
Oh, yeah. 9,000 pulls again, eh? Here, I'll move the car back. Yeah.
Just looked up so I can pull this out.
I'm gonna put some boards up for your skis.
Oh, they should be okay.
Think so?
Yeah.
Nope.
It's all right.
Yeah. Still caught up on there.
Not now.
Gonna go for the apple at the house?
No, I'm just gonna start her up and move her.
Where's it? I'm gonna move.
Oh, come on, girl. Might up we didn't have the kill switch on.
Yeah, look at that, I'm watching nothing. We didn't go very far.
Ripped up the driveway.
Frick's sake, now you gotta do the rest of it. We don't shovel it around here, we just Throw it out the back, eh? I guess I can move that back after all that.
What, back the trailer back up? Yeah, keep it to that side.
Okay.
We had a hell of a time getting it out of there because of that steel box. We still recording? Yep. Now watch this redneck try to back the trailer up. Straight back. Straight back. Keep coming. You're good.
Is there a sled back there still?
Yeah. You got it about a foot.
I forgot all about that, eh?
Yeah, move that one.
That'll do. I'm having a hard time keeping my hat on. Kept losing my knocking cover. Yeah, I kept losing my noggin covers, you know, disappearing on me. The wind coming over just right, so that once it comes off your head, it's not enough to take it, but it'll drift around on top of your head there. I'm like, every time. Don't try this at home. You're supposed to wear a helmet, and I always do. I just brought it around the house to park it 17 times. That was gross. I hope that didn't come out. Alright, well, I'll take this inside, smash it up, and we're going to have water tomorrow too, by the way, because it's going to get real warm and rainy, isn't it? Rainy. My lips are frozen up. Welcome to Canada. Well, I had a hard time with the water, so I called a buddy of mine. No guessing who it was. And this is the system you come up with. You open a valve at the pump house end. On this end, the house, these are frozen water lines I'm talking about, by the way. Put the garden hose adapter on there. This is your air line regulator. Put your air line on there. You're either going to blow the sod 3 feet up from where it was, or the clog's gonna come out the other end. Guess what happened? We got water. Yeah, I like that kind. I can have a shower at home now. Right on. So that issue's solved. We got sleds put away because there's no friggin' snow out there anymore. I'm kind of like all bummed out about that, but so be it. I'm used to that. Anyway, there's not going to be any sledding videos anymore, but maybe we'll come up with something better for you to do. Or see. Have a good one.
Where'd you get the shirt, bud?
Oh, a buddy of mine gave me it.
Oh.
It's alright, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get these from SCH Design. OnePugLife.com.
Unless you know a guy, then maybe we'll get one for free.
You gotta know a guy though.
Yeah, you gotta know a
guy.
guy.
It took me a long time to get to know a guy.
Yeah, you gotta let him drive. You know him too? You gotta let him drive your sleds and stuff, and then maybe he'll give you a shirt.
Yeah, it's expensive. It's scary. By the way, let's turn this off. Yep. By the way, for your entertainment, Cole here, he's the one doing the camera work. So if it's Deckard, it's his fault. It's okay, I'll go easy on you.